Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper, and today I want to show you days 81 through 90 of my 100 artist trading coins for the 100-day project. One of these coins went missing, so I'm going to be creative on how I show you day 85. This first one is a combination of embossing with a few paper strips and some stamping. This one is painting with a Sizzix die, Tim Holtz Wander strip. This one and the next one are both jelly prints. You can see a little bit of shimmer in them. I used them with some paint that had some mica in it. This next one went missing, number 85, so I have to show you that one on my iPad. It is this one. It says, "Don't make me say something I won't regret." It is made with paint, stencils, stamping, and chipboard stickers from Tim Holtz. This next one is distress inks with washi tape and some stamping and stenciling. This one is Dylusions ink sprays with a Sizzix die and some metal embellishments. I used chipboard for this one, plain old cardboard. I ran it through the die cut machine to get that circle shape, and then these are some little wood embellishments that I painted and used some sandpaper on to distress. This is one of my favorites. It's a remnant resist using Tim Holtz's remnant rums. You could really do it with any kind of rub-on. And distress spray stains. And then the last one is paint with a Sizzix die, the flourish, and some scrapbooking stickers. A little bit of metal embellishments on that as well. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed them. I also wanted to offer you a copy of my free printable ATC backings. If ATCs are something that you make, whether you make the round version, the artist trading coin, or the rectangular version, the artist trading card, I have developed a free PDF that you can print out where you can label the backs of your coins or cards so that if you trade them with someone, you're able to share your contact information. If you'd like that, go ahead and click the link below this video. Otherwise, I appreciate you tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful day.